Hi, today I want you all to imagine yourself as a chef, okay? And you are cooking your favorite recipe and you put all your heart and soul into that recipe. As soon as you serve it to somebody, they say, this is not my taste, and you feel, ouch. Yes, you feel rejection. But here's the thing. कभी सोचा है आपने कि there are so many chefs who keep on experimenting और जबकि उन्हें पता होता है कि not every recipe will like by everybody. पर क्या वो एक्सपेरिमेंट करना छोड़ देते हैं? नहीं. They keep on creating, they keep on adding flavors, they keep on experimenting to the best of their ability. They do not stop. And the same thing you need to do. Be yourself. Whenever you think that you are being rejected, always remind yourself that rejection is just a sign of reminding you that you're trying your level best. Trust me, the right people will like your creativity. Until then, do not stop trying. Keep reminding yourself that it's just a sign, not a decision. Don't stop. Be yourself. Keep creating and be you. Until my next video, take care.